Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is very inspired by a look that Kathleen Lights did. I think she titled it her green glam look, and so I'll put it up right here. I kept mine a little bit more blue, and I think it's more mermaidy. Her transition shades leaned more green, and so I wanted to switch it up a little bit. If you aren't already subscribed, please make sure to do so, and let's get into it. Okay, you guys know the drill by now. My eyebrows are on, and I'll link that tutorial in the cards above, and I primed my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape, and then I set that in place with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow in Creme Brulee. So in Kathleen's tutorial, she used kind of greener shades as her transition shades. But for my coloring, I want to use Moonlite from the Colourpop She's a Rainbow palette, just because I think it will complement my skin tone a little bit better. And so I'm just very lightly buffing that in my crease as a transition shade. Now, before I go any further, I am going to lay down some tape on my outer edge before I go in with darker colors. Now I'm taking turquoise and slowly building that color in my crease. I've put it on my outer corner as well. Now with my finger, I'm taking emerald and packing that on the outer portion of my lid. And I'm just taking a brush, gonna soften up those edges. Now I'm taking Sapphire on my very outer corner. I'm gonna blend that out with the same brush that I used turquoise on. Now I'm wetting a brush and taking Peridot on the inner half of my lid. I'm not doing a cut crease, but I am trying to make this kind of edge a little bit sharper than normal with this green shade. I'm highlighting my brow bone using my Precious. I'm just blending out those edges again with a clean, fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go do my other eye. So I finished up this eye and I took the tape off of the edges. Now I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer to kind of fill in some of my pores. Well, for foundation, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and this is their dewy formula. If you haven't seen my first impressions on this yet, I'll link that video in the cards above. I'm concealing my under eyes with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And now I'm setting my foundation and concealer in place with the Coty Airspun powder, making sure that all the creases are out under my eyes. Gonna add a little bit of definition into my face with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. Adding some warmth back into the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I am popping on some of the Tarte blush in Party. And highlighting with my Essence Pure Nude highlighter in Be My Highlight. I'm redefining my freckle with the e.l.f. brow pencil. I'm using the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Lost in Love to line my lips. For lipstick, I'm using the Bare Minerals Sex Pot. And then I'm topping all of that off with the MAC Lip Glass in Lust. Now I'm running the Sephora Contour Eye Pencil in Surfer Babe on my tight line and on my waterline. Now I'm taking Sapphire and very lightly smoking out that liner. Now I'm very lightly going to blend that shade out with Turquoise. I could go in with a fluffier brush, and this has nothing on it. Now I'm taking Peridot on the very inner part of my lower lash line. I'm highlighting my inner corner with Pearl. Now with the shade Diamond, I'm taking that on my finger and patting that right on my lid where Peridot and Emerald meet each other. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I used Ardell Wispies. I used the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I meshed my lashes with those with the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara and concealed the lash line just a tiny bit with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And now I'm gonna do one more thing. In Kathleen's video, she put a little rhinestone right here and right here, and so I'm gonna do that. I have little rhinestones from Amazon and I'm gonna stick them on with the NYX Glitter Primer. Laying down the glue first, and then just using these little tweezers and plopping that right on top. And we'll try to do the same spot on this side. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday.